Hello everyone, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, today I have come here in our paddy field, and dear friends, as we can see in my behind side, so many natural beauty place. And dear friends, nowadays I can't making any practicing video and can't any blogging video because of my so many problems. And after actually before 3 days or 1 week ago, and my actually I feel sick, actually so many problems. And you can see in my face quality actually right now so bad because actually I feel right now sick, but I try practicing English video because I nowadays I cannot practicing any English video. And right now, as we can see in my head, actually it's a gamosa. And today weather and sun very hot feel, that's why I take this gamosa in my head. And actually and my left hand I take it's called Bengali, it's called pasun. And I not actually I don't proper this English meaning. So dear friends, my English journey nowadays so very bad quality because I am not practicing. So today I decided to one video make because my one I have one Facebook page. Before 1 week ago I can't any video upload, and my Facebook page reached down. That's why I today I am one video making and upload my page. Okay. And dear friends, English actually it's a long process because my start that time so very bad quality, and I think day by day actually improvement I feel. And dear friends, English is a very long process, and if you speak in English and you can try more and more, and you have to patience, and you have to practice daily, and you have to consistency. So it's a main things. So if you learn English and if you start this language. So dear friends, I am also beginner and also these problems. Actually, I am not good speaker, and I am daily practicing video and daily practice. So nowadays I cannot daily practice because so many problems, and in our village and in our local area. So I live at Assam, and Assam government announced, and in our Assam state actually election. So that's why my many problems go to a candidate meeting with others. So that's why I cannot making any vlogging video or practicing video. So dear friends, and so many problems. So that's all about So see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.